Hi kids, today we will learn the accent word. Let's get started. Brushing. Kids are brushing their teeth. Drinking. Kids are drinking the water. Eating. Kids are eating their meal. Running. These kids are running. Exercising. These kids are exercising. Yoga. Yoga. Bathing. Bathing. Reading. Kids are reading their book. Writing. Kids are writing in the book. Painting. Kids are painting in their book. Laughing. Kids are laughing. Playing. Kids are playing. Jumping. Kids are jumping. Standing. Kids are standing. Sitting. Kids are sitting. Trying. Kids are trying. Dancing. Kids are dancing. Singing. Kids are singing the song. Swimming. Kids are swimming in the pool. Cleaning. Cleaning. Sleeping. Kids are sleeping in the night. Thank you kids. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.